ready to teleport yourself into any scene imaginable. First, open Kinemaster and start a new project. Import the background video or image you want to use as your backdrop, adding it to the timeline. Now add the video clip with the green screen effect as an overlay layer above your background. Select the green screen clip in the timeline. Look for the Chroma Key option, usually found on the right-hand side panel. Tap it to open the Chroma Key settings. Toggle the Enable option to turn on the Chroma Key feature. Kinemaster will automatically attempt to remove the green screen. Make sure the key color is set to green. If the green isn't perfectly removed, tap the color swatch to select the correct shade of green from your video. Fine-tune the settings like Show Mask, Curve Detail, Curve Softness, and Curve Strength to achieve a clean removal. Playing with these settings helps to get rid of any remaining green fringing or imperfections. Preview your video. Make final adjustments to the position and size of your foreground element to blend seamlessly with the background. That's it. Now you can create amazing videos with custom backgrounds. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Kinemaster tips and tricks.